Hey guys, how's it going? How to pay pre-orders via PayPal. Go to the online store and choose the pre-order item that you want to purchase. Click add to cart or pre-order to place the item in your shopping cart. Go to your shopping cart and click checkout. Select PayPal as your payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Log into your PayPal account, review the payment details and confirm the payment, and after completing the payment you will be redirected back to the online store. Make sure to check the store's policy on pre-orders for payment timing and delivery dates. So that's been on the comments of this video. Helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.